Why is Sunil Gavaskar calling the ECB's decision lame? And what made Sanjay Manjrekar conveniently forget Virat Kohli on live commentary? Big names, big reactions, and bold statements. Let's break down the key talking points from the India vs England Test series so far. First up, let's talk about a major headline off the field. The England and Wales Cricket Board recently unveiled an Anderson Tendulkar Trophy, a new name for the Test series between India and England in England. But the decision has sparkled criticism, especially from former Indian captain Sunil Gavaskar. Gavaskar questioned why James Anderson's name was placed before Sachin Tendulkar's, calling the ECB's explanation of alphabetical order a lame excuse. He highlighted that Sachin is not only Anderson's senior by nearly 13 years, but also holds far superior records, including being the highest run scorer in both Tests and ODIs. He said, quote, Anderson is a terrific bowler, but his record is nowhere close to Tendulkar's. Putting his name first doesn't just sit right. Anchor continues, Gavaskar also raised concerns about the new Pataudi medal, which is to be awarded to the winning captain of the series. He suggested a better idea, give the Pataudi medal to the player of the match in each test and a final one to the player of the series, thus keeping the legacy alive in every match, not just at the end. This isn't the first time a naming decision has stirred controversy, but Gavaskar's blunt take has definitely reignited the debate around how cricket honors its legends. Now let's turn our attention to the action on the field and to the man of the moment, Shubman Gill. The 25-year-old made a commanding Test captaincy debut at Headingley by scoring a stunning 147 in the first innings. But it wasn't just his century that caught attention, it was his fired-up celebration after a wicket that sparked déjà vu for fans. When Mohammad Siraj took what looked like Joe Root's wicket, Gill rushed in and celebrated in a way that reminded many of Virat Kohli's trademark aggression. Interestingly, commentator Sanjay Manjrekar also noticed it, but rather than directly mention Kohli, he sidestepped the comparison with a bit of humor. He said he couldn't place who Gill reminded him of, jokingly ruling out MS Dhoni and Rohit Sharma, and even suggesting Ajit Wadekar with a laugh. It was a light moment, but fans online were quick to point out the obvious Kohli influence in Gill's style of celebration, passionate, intense, and emotionally charged. As for the match situation, India dominated with strong centuries from KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant, as well setting England a target of 371 heading into day 5. All eyes were on whether England can chase it down or India can close the game. Legends being debated, young captains stepping up, and spirited celebrations creating buzz. It's been a gripping start to the series both on and off the pitch. For more match updates, controversies, and expert takes, stay tuned right here on the 22 Yards Talks.